the same situations when we constructed Bondok Peninsula Road in back in 2002.
Ayun.
Matapos namin yung road na yon, dumami, maraming bumili. May nakita namin yung mabagong sasakyan. So tapos may mga increase in deliveries of the furnitures and appliances. Meaning, may surplus income ang mga residente dun sa area. So instead na nakatabilang sa bahay, it's now being brought into the economy.
Nagkaroon ng economic activity.
Yeah. So that's part yung development. And if you come to visit the Bondok Peninsula, may mga franchises na doon. So, commercial bank. And kagabi pa lang, may mga nagkwento, may nakikita na kami mga bagong sasakyan sa
Sabi nga, dumami na po ang mga tricycle.
Tricycle is one.
Kasi para makapag-dire-diretso na sila.
Nag-aaway na nga
Yung mga forwarder.
So, this one, meaning, may competition. So, there's talaga substantial evidence that
yung physical
economy.
Of course, the long term, we have to, time will tell. But, just the same, yung ano yung nangyari sa Bundok Peninsula when the area was opened up for the public. Continues yun kasi makaka-access na on both sides yung kung anong meron on both sides easier. Well, what we achieve here is naalis na natin yung kung may mga nakikinabang dun sa transport, pagka-transport by boat, meron naman tayong alternative. Probably they can buy tricycles na ngayon.
mas marami yung advantage ng makikinabang, like limited pag-boat.
Actually, sa transport mo na lang ng goods, limited ang capacity. But this time, pwede ka na magpasok ng truck. Let's say forward, medium, talaga malalaki na, mga 10,000. And I think, namang kaya yun. Kaya